19 wins and counting for Democratic presidential candidate Bernie Sanders.
With our victory tonight in West Virginia, we have now won primaries and caucuses in 19 states. And let me be as clear as I can be. We are in this campaign to win the Democratic nomination.
Fossil fuel, energy.
The political calendar ahead favors Sanders. Still, Clinton leads in delegates and needs just 15% of pledged delegate support in upcoming contests to secure the Democratic nomination. She's already campaigning as the presumptive nominee.
You could not imagine a more different vision for our country than the presumptive nominee on the Republican side.
But what about in a general election? New opinion poll numbers show while Hillary Clinton hangs on to a double-digit lead over Bernie Sanders nationally, in a matchup against Republican Donald Trump, it is Sanders who polls higher in voter support.
On the Republican side, some voters protesting Donald Trump's candidacy cast ballots for rivals now out of the race. Still, the presumptive nominee won the presidential contest in Nebraska and West Virginia, harnessing America's economic frustrations into voter support.
The Great Recession still is rippling through the economy. I believe that the loss of manufacturing jobs still is present in many states. I think that Trump in particular has been able to tap into that disenfranchisement.
It's a sentiment Bernie Sanders is also hoping will convince voters it's not Clinton, but he who is the best candidate to block Donald Trump from the White House. Kimberly Helkett, Al Jazeera, Charleston, West Virginia.